What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. And you can see my wife's little scat pack. But y'all know the struggle of working outside on the driveway. Shit, ridiculous. I gotta deal with this shit. You see that? Those little fuckers under my wheels. See all the ants? All those acorns and dirt. Sorry, boy, I need a shop ASAP. I ain't trying to deal with this kind of crap working outside. Nasty little effers. I need a 3-ton Daytona jack. Shout out Harbor Freight. All this rusty shit. Gotta go. See, my wheels starting to get flat. We gotta stop that, even though I'm probably getting new tires, even though the tread ain't bad, but I'm probably getting new ones because I don't want it to flatten out like down there. This one, not so much. But look at all this nasty shit. Those little silver dollar bugs, earthworms, ants, and I'm sitting on this crap working on this car. And normally I have mosquitoes, but it's kind of hot today and it's dry, so mosquitoes ain't out. And then on top of mosquitoes, that's an oak tree, so you got oak mites. Little tiny red microscopic bugs that light you up. Look at mosquito. I don't think I see any. They're like a fire red, fire orange color. I don't think I see any right now. But all these ants all over my cover, all down here. I gotta sweep all that crap out. Got a shovel right there. But yeah, as soon as this is done, or before this thing is done, I want to shop. I want to be in the street. Alright, we back. I had to evict some unwanted freeloading tenants under my tires. The main reason is I want to put this thing on ramps, but with these 22s, it's gonna be hard because I'm pretty much maxed out right there. I might have to put the crossbar on here so I can get a few more inches to get these ramps up. I want these ramps out so I can comfortably clean up the bottom side. I need to get to the engine mount bolts, which are like right there, which I can get to now if I put some jack stands up. But yeah, it's hot. I mean, it's 85 degrees. Luckily it's overcast, so it's not like sun beaming on you, but it's hot. Like, I think the first 5 minutes I got out here, I was soaked. Sweating. It's so freaking humid. But yeah, just like all this, all that, they're gonna wire brush this whole frame, the core support. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bar here. I'll probably do the same, paint it up. I got all new bushings. I got pretty much all new suspension. I'm keeping the control arms. I got new bushings for those. I'm trying to press those out. It's metal. Ain't no sense changing metal for new metal if ain't nothing wrong with it. these springs coming out, shocks coming out. You know, we get all QA1. I have the front, but I'm missing a whole set from another car in the rear because I got like 2 or 3 weeks out for delivery. My posse, who knows when my posse is coming. I got all the front tie rods and everything brand new, all the knuckles, I got that stuff. But the biggest thing is get this engine out, get the transmission out, clean up the bottom end, take off these wheels, do the inner fenders, and power wash this thing for one. Start with a clean base and then do all the other stuff. But yeah, all this is gonna look brand new, and what doesn't will be brand new parts. All my moving parts is gonna be brand new. Of course, you know, turbo 6.0, turbo 5.3, I don't know yet. The plan is 6.0. But yeah, just give me a little rant session of when I come outside and dealing with these nasty ants and bugs biting and crawling on me. Got spiders, mice. Luckily no snakes, but who knows, they out here. I didn't even know the exhaust is gone, which ain't a big deal. I gotta put a new one in there anyway and go larger with the exhaust. Got rear end. We got work on the floor, seats. I got the carpets. But anyway, just checking in, giving a little update. This is where we at. I'm gonna work on this engine real quick. After I get some stands or some ramps underneath this car.